Now I'm going to the Airbnb. I'll check in and then we'll go out to tour the place.
2 days Airbnb.
Yeah, 2 days the Airbnb was not used. Anyway, we had fun. We stayed with the relatives and all that. We got a very countryside environment.
A few moments later.
Narayana famous.
Narayani Machli
restaurant.
Machli restaurant.
मछली रेस्टोरेंट है
आता village ना काम.
हिंगिल्ली
आता ये तुमची village इतने.
विलेज रेस्टोरेंट या कंजरा
Village restaurant.
मधुवस विलेज
Is there? You can order like that.
This is one important church in Bangalore, Infant Jesus Church. Yeah. So we have come over here, but mass is going on, so we can't shoot inside the church. It's a beautiful church. It's a pious church also. There are favors which have been granted over here, no? So the local people, they have a lot of belief in this church. So it was nice. Every experience is so different, like, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
You got to experience the mass.
Mass also was going on, yeah. Thursdays only they have mass, Tuesdays and Thursdays. So today they had the mass.
Okay.
So we got a chance to see this. Not the whole mass, but some part of it.
Where you're going, auntie?
Now we'll go to some South Indian hotel. Coming to Karnataka and not eating South Indian food. Vrinda to goli maar degi.
I can eat dosa every day.
Yeah. Penne
Yeah.
dosa.
A little later.
What is this?
It is a ragi idli. We took one plate medu vada, one plate goli bachi, and this is that banana ka buns.
Yeah, we can take that.
Buns you will take.
Yeah.
You take what you want to do. Punjab.
Auntie, how much is the bill?
It's just 224 for three dishes what we ordered. Can you believe it?
And chai.
And 2 chai. And Bombay, if you take one benne dosa, you pay 200.
Yeah. 190 is the Bene price.
190 with taxes.
No, 190 I think plain you get in Bene. Very cheap here.
A few inches later.
How was the food at Shivaba?
Yeah, it was good. It was very nice. It was so fresh, like no oil smell and all that.
Take a bag.
Yes.
Yes.
This is Axe oil. These are the different lipsticks, like different shades. And this is the hair clips. This is the foundation. This is the concealer, and this is the eyebrow wax. Fell down. Clumsy as ever. This is the eyebrow wax, and this is the blush. This is the sponge, and this is the foundation brush. Yeah, that's it. And this is the lip gloss
Lip gloss.
and eyebrow pencil. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Is this real gold?
No. This,
Wow. Full name?
ಕುದ್ರೋಳಿ ಗೋಕರ್ಣನಾಥೇಶ್ವರ
because skin has become like patchy, no? They don't have the peak. They have like this one.
Color is very
gold, no?
इतना दूर से we can see that.
It's 12:30 and I've come to the Sultan Batteri. Here we get a boat. We'll go to the show. Like from Madailand to Warsaw. Sarah gets so irritated, no? If I compare anything to...
minutes later.
Guys, we have reached this Tanir Bhavi beach and auntie is taking tickets there. Juhu beach ka this
Yeah.
food counter, but
Food counter.
everything is closed.
Seriously, the beaches are so clean, immaculately clean. I cannot express like in India the beaches are this clean. Not a this crap of plastic is there. I seriously, commend people to come to Mangalore also because the beaches are really very, very clean, compared to Goa. Goa has become too crowded and commercialized. And it's hardly like 6 hours, I think, away from Goa by road if you come. Beaches are so clean. The water is so clean. You can't believe you're in India. You feel like you're in the other part of the world. See the plantation, the pines and all, na?
Yes, very nice, very nice. Enjoying here.
Will you come again?
Oh, yes.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
What's the beach?
It was nice. Very tiring but beautiful. The experience was so good.
No,
Yeah.
we are going to Machli.
Yeah, the one of the most famous restaurant in
Bangalore.
Bangalore, yeah, for seafood. So I hope there's no waiting. Waiting असतं लेंगे आता?
Waiting asta.
हाँ, okay. All this will be coming up on my Instagram, so please follow, and there'll be vlogs also, travel vlogs on my YouTube. So please follow and subscribe to my channel.
1 hour later.
What's the food at Machli?
Yeah, it was good, very good. Like it's worth the hype, because people have hyped it so much. It was like the whole town has come to eat the machlis.
Yeah, it was
See
so
the
crowded.
it was, oh god. And 3 o'clock time it was so crowded.
Yeah.
Can you believe it?
Post lunch still.
Post, yeah, I know. I've shot a reel in the heat of the sun and in the rain. I've taken a lot of trouble and shot reels for y'all to entertain y'all. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Follow on Instagram. Yeah, Ma made it. Ma made it. Ma made it rocks.
Now we are going to the Airbnb.
Yeah, now we'll go to the Airbnb finally.
Fine.
Murat aa
Since
rahi hai.
one, since 3
3 days.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Welcome to my first booking of Airbnb. Let me show you the quick house tour. This is the living room. It has an inverter because in Bangalore there's always a power cut या power shortage हो जाता है. फिर living room is well equipped. There's a sofa and 2 chairs. They have a TV for entertainment. There's Wi-Fi system also. Bangalore doesn't have Wi-Fi system everywhere. Only in the city you get Wi-Fi. So we took a villa which has Wi-Fi. Then here, this is the bedroom. Very huge, massive bedroom. It has king size bed. They have a bathroom attached. Nice and clean bathroom. Yes. They have a clean bathroom. Very well done. Very clean villa. It was a new villa, so I went for it. And closets is there. The dressing mirror is there. Hi, Baba. Hi. And here there is one more bathroom, small bathroom. They have a fridge and the dining table. Then there is the kitchen. Kitchen is also well equipped. Okay, they have induction chula and there's a microwave. For us, it will be a little inconvenient with induction, I think. I don't know. No, they don't have any utensils.
You're only, I think, these are the only utensils there.
Yeah, we'll have to ask them for auntie also.
Because auntie is making biryani.
Yeah, but they don't have anything.
Yeah.
And then they have
This one more bedroom.
Yeah, there's one more bedroom over here. This is the bedroom. Again, another king size bedroom. Actually, this is very comfortable to relax for 2 days, So yeah.
Extra mattress also they have given. ACs
ACs
is
in
there.
both the bedrooms they have AC.
AC.
So it's a very well furnished apartment. Airbnb doesn't compromise. They give the best, So
Yeah.
it's good for us also. The details will be in the description. If you want to book, then you can go ahead.
2 hours later.
it's 6 o'clock now, and we finished all our check-in and all that. We became fresh. We changed our clothes and all, and now we are going to the Pabbas. Pabbas is a very Pabbas, na?
Ideal Cafe. Yes.
Ideal Cafe. It is a very famous one for all desserts like tiramisu and all of that. So let's explore. I'm very excited.
Yes. Thank you so much.
I'll put 5. So I have 5 with me.
Scam. Stand on, please. Stand now.
Again, they say put coin.
Scam hai. They have not mentioned only the money. How will we know? It's not written anywhere. It's not there. जाने दो 6 रुपए भरवा दो.
A few moments later.
Today is 30th July and I have a meet and greet on the 1st. So I have come to the grocery store to buy some groceries. I am making biryani.
Especially if you're living in Airbnb, so
Yeah, we have to.
yeah,
But that is the good part.
good
like,
part.
you know,
Yeah,
See, we'll get
Plates.
also plates,
yeah, one tissue.
Spoons also we can take plastic.
Yeah, they have given, I think, no
What?
spoons and all, but yeah, and otherwise other plates are there in the Airbnb.
Snacks we also will
Snacks.
take. Yeah. From Vast Bakery we'll take snacks.
Works.
Spoons they have not given much, I think. You know? We'll take
Are
this
we
smaller
making
ones, बहुत बड़ा है.
raita also, or I
we'll
think
make
we
raita, no?
then इसमें we will keep चलेगा.
Look, whoever wants. This is which one? Daily ka na?
Deep clean.
ठीक.
That we forgot to bring, no? That
What?
small kitchen.
I
there.
brought.
You have bought
Yes,
that?
yes.
Oh yes. पूरा setup करके we will show.
हाँ. Today he saw my this page and he said you do cooking videos. I said yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll call from out and morning. We won't do
Yeah.
anything.
We can, if you all want eggs and you all want to eat, then you can eat.
Oil we took, and what else in the list? Just check, na.
Ginger garlic paste.
That we'll have to check.
Yeah.
There we'll get ginger garlic.
Chilies also we wanted.
Green chili paste only we'll take.
Yeah.
But,
Salt.
so
And all this vegetables we won't get here, no? Or
there
coriander,
and pudina.
pudina, dahi,
Dahi we have to.
haldi.
That is I think over there.
Spoon plates we took.
We took,
Spoon
no?
we didn't take.
Spoon we'll take.
Spoon was not there.
And there in that section only it was spoon.
Okay.
But there are, it's a lot of spoons. So we take this, what is that? We'll ask him only.
Him
to
only
give.
to give, yeah.
Tang they have smaller.
How many cups we can make with this glass?
It will use. It's
Yeah.
all like it's, we can
Take
give it to
back,
these
yeah.
people. Yeah.
3-minute upma.
MTR का ना.
Hmm.
Just add hot water. कोकोनट की चटनी है, रेड भी है और ये भी है,
Yeah.
टोमेटो चटनी.
Yeah. Dosa, they will give that pan, no?
Yeah, I will ask them to get the pan.
ठीक है.
हो गया ना
Yeah.
breakfast का हमारा सब.
Oh,
Cookies.
oh. Taha ko veje.
हाँ.
What was this called?
Cookies. अभी कौन
हाँ.
cookies या
वो rose cookies.
rose cookies.
Taste आ गया मेरे मुंह में. What you made?
A few moments later.
I met a wonderful and a loving person by the name of Shivi at Pabbas, and she was so overwhelmed and so welcoming and received me with so much of warmth. All love to you, Shivi. Love you. Keep supporting my channel.
A few inches later.
250 grams मिलेगा, 500 grams मिलेगा.
500.
चलेगा. 500, 2 boxes.
This is so good.
Fresh, no? Live.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
We can take for breakfast.
These are smaller. You want to take
No,
this?
that is not good. This is nice. This is the original chutney.
This is muruku.
Yeah.
आंटी पूरा भर गया.
Kashmiri chutney. This is rice flour. This you won't like.
No,
This I
no.
took for my mother. This is murukku. Even this is murukku.
These are different.
Shape it. This is like mini chakli.
This is that only, na? That way.
Yeah.
Same taste.
5 minutes later.
That's it, guys. Today I have done a lot of shopping. I also bought groceries to use in the Airbnb, and for the meet and greet making biryani. And this I brought snacks also, some to take to Bombay and some for us. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you will love my content and show me all your love. Love you.